All right, now I'm going to show you how to use the Power Mask with the Galvanic Facial Spa. There's 5 in the box here, so I'm just going to take out one mask and just open it up. Take out the mask. Stick it on the face, like so. Feels nice and cool. We're going to peel the other side off. And straighten this out. All right, and then once it's on nice and smooth, we're gonna get the spot, spray it back, put it on number 4. So you don't have to use the spa with this mask. You can use it if you don't have a galvanic spa. But if you do, it will just deliver the treatment way deeper into your skin. Right now, only in Mexico, this pack of 5 masks for the next 3 days, from the 22nd to the 25th of July, they are 50% off. So if you were thinking about trying them out, now is the time. Just message me and I'll send you the link so that you can get yours for 50% off. So you just keep going around like this for 5 minutes and then take it off. So we're going to take it off. Squeeze what's left over in the bag. So that's good stuff. You want to put that on. Oh, look at all that. I'm going to use it right here. On my eyes. Where the mask didn't get. Put it all over. Leftover in the little pouch that the mask comes in. And that's it. So if you guys live in Mexico and you want to give these a try, they're 50% off for the next 3 days, July 20th through the July 22nd through the 25th. So just go ahead and leave me a message and I'll send you the link for the 50% off. If you live in any other country and you want to give these a try, leave me a message and I'll send you a link for 20% off. Guys, I have a galvanic spa, so I used it with these masks. But if you don't have a galvanic spa, you can still use these masks without the galvanic spa. If you'd like to get a galvanic spa, send me a message and I'll send you a link to also get the galvanic spa 20% off. And don't forget to subscribe.